Today I will talk about if statement in Excel. This one is prepare for the create your own leave request form Power App for the leave request. If you want, you can visit my channel to view that tutorial. Okay, let's go back to see the if statement. So if the year, let's see the easy one. If the staff year is less than 5 years, we give the 0.4 percent vacation. Otherwise, give them 0.6 vacation time. So to do that, it's easy. We equal if. So the first part is logic test, year less than 5. Second value is if it is true, that means 0.4. If it is false, that means 0.6. So first one, year 1 less than 5. Then we use comma to split. True value if true value is 0.4. Percent. Then we use another comma. So else, if it is false, we use 0.6. Then we close. So we can double click here to fill in all of them. So now we can see less than 5, this part is 0.4, bigger or equal to 5, it is 0.6. That's correct. Okay, let's see a difficult one. So if it is less than 5, 0.4, greater than 5, less than 6, 0.6, less than 10, if greater than 10, 0.8. So to do that, we use the same one. If less than 5, we give them 0.4. Otherwise, greater or equal than 5, we use this two part. We already know this part is greater or equal to 5, so we only use less than 5, less than 10. So we use another if statement. If A2 less than 10, then we give it 0.6. Otherwise, we give them 0.8. We close and see if it is correct. So less than 5, 0.4, greater or equal to 10, less than 10, 0.6, and otherwise 0.8. You can also use AND statement for this one. So if it is less than 5, oh, I forgot equal sign. If it is less than 5, we gave it 0.4. Otherwise, for this one, we can use AND statement. So we input AND, greater than 5, greater or equal than 5, and A2 less than 10. Oh, we need an if statement here. If this one, we give it 0.6. Otherwise, we give it 0.8. So now we close it. Let's see if it is correct. Same thing. So that's how we use if and. You can also use our statement if you want, and it's the same thing. You have the logic 1, logic 2, and logic 3. You can use multiple logic here. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.